my crossing, so it's gotta be me, because I'm just crossing in that crossover. And I'll short it.
Where's my CP? Let's check my CP.
That lighting inside the car is causing a problem.
I've only been at this for like 2 years, and all I have on is an oval on my floor. So
it's a start, right?
Yeah,
You got to start somewhere.
yeah, I'm more into hoarding engines and rolling stock.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
yeah,
Just get the model out, put it on
that's pretty much me. The worst is I'll go to the park near my house or CN's main line, run right through the middle, take videos, and I buy whatever I see.
A lot of people do that. They buy anything, put it on a shelf.
I
don't get it. I don't get it. I want to hear it running. I don't want to go. I just want to go. I don't want this. Right?
That is what I'm trying to tell him.
Yeah. You want to run it.
Yeah, so me, every time I set my oval up on the floor, I gotta take the trains out of their boxes, set it up, clean it up after. So,
Small price to pay. Small price to pay. And you paid a pretty price for it. You want to see it run.
Yeah.
so you guys normally are on weekends and Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Tuesdays, Thursdays.
Every first Tuesday